We'll guide you through how to use Asana for your marketing projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click on Teams to either create a new team or select your existing marketing team. Next, create a project by clicking the New Project button. Choose a template that fits your marketing needs, like marketing campaign or content calendar. This will provide you with a preset structure to organize tasks efficiently. Once your project is set up, you need to add tasks. Click on Add Task and fill in the details like the task name, description, assignee, and due date. You can also add tags to categorize tasks or use custom fields for additional task information. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Use the comments section within each task to communicate with your team members, share files, or provide updates. This keeps all project communication in one place. To keep track of progress, utilize the timeline view, which visually maps out your tasks and dependencies, ensuring everyone is on the same page. You can also switch to calendar view to see upcoming deadlines and plan your workload. For regular updates, set up status updates to inform stakeholders about the progress of your marketing campaigns. You can customize these updates to highlight key metrics and achievements. Finally, to automate repetitive tasks, use the Rules feature in Asana. You can set triggers and actions, like automatically assigning tasks when a project stage changes. This saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.